morning, guys. Today is Monday and it's gonna be a great Monday. It's gonna be so productive. So I have orders to work on that came in over the weekend for our Christmas and July sale. So I'm gonna be doing that. I also have a video that I need to edit for this channel. I have a video that I need to edit for my other channel. I just have a lot to do. So first things first, I'm going to go through my orders. I'm going to print everything that I need, figure out what I already have cut and ready to go. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I need to print and cut, get that done. So let's go. An update for you. I had lunch. It is almost 1 o'clock now. I have all of the orders. I don't know if you can really see right there, but all the orders lined out and are ready to go. I'm cutting the last couple of things and then I will be able to package up the orders and ship them out tonight, which will be nice. And I also need to edit the next video that's going up on this channel, which is going to be my like goodbye to my home sort of video. I vlogged that whole experience when we moved my grandma, and I need to get that edited and uploaded because it is on my content calendar. I created a whole content calendar for August. I have so many videos going up spread across 3 different channels, so it's gonna be a good time. If you are subscribed to any of my other channels, be on the lookout for lots of content. But anyway, that's what is going on right now. I just wanted to pop on and give a little update. But James is looking at me like a big creeper.
Well, I didn't want the door to squeak while you were filming.
You just look so creepy back there. Anyway, I am gonna get back to cutting stickers, but I wanted to like take a moment to like speak to the camera. I tried a minute ago, but I just know that it's gonna be horrible because you can hear the cutting machines in the background. So I'm gonna get back to cutting. We're gonna finish the orders and then I am going to work on video stuff. But I wanted to give you the update that it's been a super productive Monday and we are getting stuff done, which is awesome. James is currently making me a cup of tea because he's just so sweet like that. And it's also Monday, and I don't know if I've mentioned, I'm sure I've mentioned this in a video, but he works from home every Monday and Friday now, and every other Friday he has off. So he's home with me every Monday and every Friday now, which is awesome. I love that new schedule. I love it. So yeah, he's making himself a cup of tea. He asked if I wanted some, so I'm getting some tea too. So that's awesome. And we're getting back to work. And I'll show you guys when I package all the orders. Okay guys, I'm cutting the last couple things I need for orders, and I have my laptop here because I've been trying to put in all the footage for the vlog that I'm going to be working on that should hopefully go up tomorrow. It's a long one, so I'm going to try to start editing that, and I'm going to package up all the orders so I can send those out tonight. So yeah, it's been a very productive Monday. I'm really tired, but we're just gonna plug along and keep going. I think James gets off in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then we will eat dinner. And I think we're gonna go hang out with our niece and nephew later today. I'm still waiting to hear on all of that. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of a busy night, and it's been a busy day, but I feel like I got a ton of stuff done today, which is nice. And I'm excited that all the orders are done, and hopefully we can get all these videos done that I have scheduled for the month. There's a lot of them, but I'm feeling pretty good. I'm like ahead of everything. Like I have new stuff designed for the TPC sale, which is happening. I believe when this video goes up, it'll be like a week or like 6 days until the TPC sale, but I have pretty much everything designed for that. And so now it's just a matter of making sure that I print and cut everything, get it up on the website, on Etsy, and keep up with all my videos. So there's a lot, but I'm excited, I'm feeling good, and I'm feeling ready to go. I'm pumped and excited again, which if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that's not been the case in the past couple of months. So I am excited, I'm ready to go. I'm also very tired though, and I'm ready to be done for today. The good news is I just have to package up the orders. If I don't get the video edited today, I can always do it tomorrow. It's not supposed to go up until tomorrow, so I can just get up early, spend a couple hours on that, and get it done. I'd like to get some of it done today, just so that way I don't have to worry about it all day tomorrow. But we're gonna get what we can done, and that's all we can do. So, all right, I'm gonna get the last couple things. I'm gonna sit in here and package, and I'll show you guys that. I just finished all the orders. It feels so good. It feels so good. I love when I have a sale and I get like a ton of orders, and then I just like bust through them, get them done, and get them out way earlier than expected. It just makes me so happy. So I am now going to, let's see, it is 4 o'clock. I'm just gonna work on this video until James is done working, and then I'm gonna call it a day on work. So I'll show you guys me editing my video. Been working on the vlog, and I don't know that I'm ready to like put this video up, because I just need to like, I want to make it good. I want to like, I don't know, it's a lot to explain. But what I think I'm gonna do is actually edit this vlog tomorrow and put this video up, and eventually I'll put up my video saying goodbye to the house I grew up in. But right now I just don't know, I don't know if I'm ready to put that video up. So currently I am warming up leftovers for dinner, and I hate showing messes, but this is real life and the kitchen is a mess. Need to clean up the kitchen. I need to go make our bed. Although at this point, like, what's the point? But yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do as far as like the vlog is concerned and everything. I think it would be better to put this video up and either put that video up on Friday, but I still don't think I'll be ready. I don't know when I'll be ready. I think I'm just gonna do this vlog and then do another vlog for Friday. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Keep it easy, simple for myself, but I don't know. Watching all the footage, I can't explain it. I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about it, and it's okay. Lots of different emotions and whatever, so but yeah, gonna warm up some dinner. I think we're still gonna go hang out with our niece and nephew later, which obviously I'm not gonna show you guys that, but I think I told you guys I got all the orders done, so I need to take them to the post office, and we're gonna go hang out and chill for a little bit and then come home and go to bed because I'm tired. No, but we'll probably just hang out for a little bit and then go to bed later. So I will update you guys when dinner's done, obviously. No, I will update you guys later with what we end up doing and all of that. All right, guys, so we are back home now, and we are going to take Dixie on a walk real quick because we haven't done that yet today, and I'm sure she just needs to get all of her energy out before bed. So it is like 8:40. We're gonna go on a walk real quick, and then when we come back, I think James is gonna edit his video for his channel, and I'm probably going to just watch some YouTube and relax. I've thought about editing this vlog, but I think I'm just gonna relax. So but anyway, I am gonna end the vlog here just because it is nighttime and, you know, I'm not doing anything special. So click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Anything, doesn't have to be anything related to this video. It could just simply be how your day's going. Like, what are you excited about? What's something awesome that's going on in your life? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.